Ever felt the pain of planning a group trip? Different chats, confused schedules. Where's the plan again? Chaos. Meet Sync Our Trip, your one-stop app for planning seamless group travels. Log in with Google. Got a trip invite? Just enter the trip ID and passcode. Boom, you're in. We use Firebase to implement our Google login. Easily view the shared itinerary, where everyone's going and when. See all your events in one place. Our calendar auto highlights key trip moments. Add your own meetups, group activities, or reminders with a tap. Plan together, better. As you can see, I've successfully added the event and now it shows on my calendar. I can also delete the event and it shows me a success notification. I can add an event for a particular date, say 20th August, adjust the time, put in my location, and you can see a success pop up. I can edit my details from 2 hours to 1 hour, and you can see that has been successfully updated. This is how we store our event details on Firestore. No more guessing. Know when your friends land so you can pick them up. You can edit the details such as the mode of transport, and this change is reflected on the calendar in a highlighted view for easy reference. Adding a trip is easy, with the form making sure that correct and valid details are entered in. Need help deciding what to do? Just type what you want. Our AI, powered by Google Gemini, builds your dream itinerary. Select the dates you want to travel, and it will be highlighted. Choose your budget, review your trip, and let AI do the work. You will now see your trip generated on the My Trip page, and you'll be able to see your plan to see details like the date, your flights, hotel recommendation, and itinerary. The plan details help to break down places to visit by time, ticket prices, travel time to destination, as well as deleting. In summary, these are the pages that you will see. Firstly, there is a My Trips page, which will display the trips that you have searched for. Secondly, the Google API that auto completes your searches. Then you can choose your travelers, select your travel dates, as well as choose your budget. Then you can review your trip details, wait for AI to generate your itinerary based on the details you have entered, and finally see your plan under My Trips with images displayed from the Google API. Lastly, within each of the See Plan page, you can see flight information, hotel recommendations with their rating from Google, plan details with specific blocks and as well as places to visit, as well as the travel time, ticket pricing, and additional details. Sync Our Trip uses a modular, component-based architecture inspired by MVC principles. Our models are Firestore documents, our views are React Native UI components, and our controllers manage logic and data flow independently. We also employ common design patterns. The facade pattern simplifies the complex components like date pickers. The singleton pattern ensures a single Firebase instance app-wide, and the observer pattern keeps the UI in sync via Firestore snapshot listeners. We use GitHub for collaboration with feature branches for each module. Pull requests ensure peer review before merging. For builds, we use Expo EAS and test on devices before deployment. User privacy is critical. We use Google OAuth with Firebase authentication and Firestore rules to restrict trip access to members only. Every Firestore call is wrapped in try-catch blocks to handle errors gracefully. Clean code and proper documentation make the project easy to maintain. Inline comments explain the complex logic, while folder structure keeps components organized. Our README includes setup guides, ERDs, and sequence diagrams. For our testing, we used Jest as well as other unit cases to test our app. AI response is stored as JSON on the Firestore. Plan, update, and explore together. From idea to itinerary, Sync Our Trip makes it effortless. Download now. Gather your friends. Let the adventure begin.